In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get page ID in Notion. If you need to connect a Notion page to another tool, use the Notion API, or simply identify a specific page, then finding the page ID is an important first step. The good news is that it's very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact process in a simple and clear way. First, go to your Notion page, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the specific page you want to work with. Make sure you're on the correct page before moving forward, especially if you have several pages with similar names. This helps avoid copying the wrong link and grabbing the wrong page ID. Once you're on the page, look to the top right corner of the screen. Near the share button, you'll see a copy icon. Click that copy icon to copy the page link. This gives you the full URL for that Notion page, which is exactly what you need in order to locate the page ID. After copying the link, paste the URL somewhere you can inspect it easily, like a Notes app, a text editor, or your browser's address bar. Now look at the end of the URL. The page ID is the 32-character alphanumeric string located there. That string is the unique identifier for the page. In many cases, this ID appears as a long combination of letters and numbers. Depending on how the URL is formatted, you may also see hyphens included. If you're asked specifically for the 32-character page ID, focus on that unique string at the end of the link. That's the part most integrations and technical setups are referring to. A helpful tip here is to copy and paste the ID carefully so you don't accidentally include extra characters from the URL. If you're using it in another platform, even one extra symbol can cause an error. Taking a second to double check can save you time later, and that's all there is to it. You open the Notion page, click the copy icon near share, and then identify the 32-character alphanumeric string at the end of the URL. That string is your Notion page ID. Once you know this process, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you need a page ID for automation, integrations, or setup tasks inside Notion.